Hello YouTube. Anyways, today's video is going to be make a bracelet with me. So if you don't already like and subscribe to this channel, make sure you go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up. It would mean a lot if you could like and subscribe to this channel. So anyways, let's get into the make this bracelet with me video. So what you're going to need is some scissors, some thread, string stuff, elastic, and some beads, and these are silicone ones from Amazon. I will link these in the description box down below. And you will also need some clear fingernail polish. So first what you're going to do is you're going to start by picking out one of the beads that you want. Whatever one that you want. I think I'm going to find one that I want. That's a cool one too as well. And I'm going to start with this one. This orange shaped one. I mean this orange one that's shaped like this. And then I'm going to thread this through. I'm going to tie it underneath like 2 to 3 times. And I'm going to pull it tight, and then now I'm going to take the clear nail polish. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. And where I did that knot, I'm just going to go over that a little bit, so that way it doesn't come undone. Now I'm going to let that dry for a little bit. And then I'm going to pick out what pattern would I want to do, or my next bead if I let that dry. So you're just going to put the clear nail polish on top of that. Then after the orange, I think I'm going to use this yellow bead and thread that on. Then what colors do after the orange? We could do yellow. No, we already did yellow. We could do pink. How about we do pink? We're going to use this pink bead. And thread that one on. Just to thread it through. I think I'm going to use this purple bead next. So I think I'm going to do a green one after that. Then after the green, I think I'm going to do a blue one. Oh yeah, these beads are from Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description box down below. So if you want these beads, then I'm going to do a heart one. What color though? How about, let's see if we can find a yellow maybe heart. That'll take me a minute. There, we'll do a yellow heart. Then let's do another one. How about let's do a brighter orange. And if you made it this far in this video, you might as well subscribe to this channel. Hopefully it means you'll like the rest of my stuff. Then how about we do another purple? No, how about we do a blue rose instead? This one will look really pretty, I think. Then I think I'm gonna do, what color should we do? How about pink? A pink one like this next. Oh, yeah. And then another yellow, or yeah, then we should do a yellow. Another yellow one, I think will look pretty. Then purple after the yellow, I think. How about this purple? What other color should we do next? Maybe a yellow. How about this shaped blue one? It's pretty blue. I want one or two more. We'll do two more. How about we do another orange color? We should do another heart. How about we do an orange heart? And then I think one more. What color though? How about maybe this green color? Okay, so give it a thumbs up if you made it this far and subscribe. Now we're just gonna tie we're gonna take the two ends and tie them together. So we're just gonna go underneath, pull through. Now we're gonna make like a square, not as best as our ability. So make a 4 over there. And then you're gonna take that underneath and go through on the other side if you can, at all possible. And then you're gonna pull tight. You poke this through, hopefully we can. And then we're just gonna pull tight. And there you go. And then we're just gonna do another normal knot underneath, pull tight, and then we're gonna take the clear nail polish one more time. And we're gonna do the same thing, and we're just gonna put some clear nail polish on top of that, and just be careful. Then let it dry. Then, okay, now after that dries for a little second, then you have this really cute bracelet here. Focus, camera. They have this really cute bracelet. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I want you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much. See y'all. Have a wonderful and great day.